So if you're watching this video and if you're wondering, can I have a great lifestyle with affiliate marketing? Is it really possible to make money online and travel all around the world to all the luxury places? Let me share with you here. Look, this is the end result of having a great affiliate marketing business. You can travel around the world, right? The most important thing for me is location freedom. Why? Because if I can travel anywhere and make my money online, then there is no problem, right? I can go anywhere, I can be anywhere in the world right now and still have the means of making money. But you do need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way. So you can see over here results like this. Now let me show you other things over here. Let me go and show you, right? It's not about bragging, it's just about showing you what is possible once you have someone to guide you through along the way, step by step, right? The most important thing is, remember this, having the great offer that's converting really, really well. This is the key. If you want to have great results, you can see over here, right? If you want to have results like this, traveling, you need to have a great offer, you need to have a great coaching, which is mentor, right? Someone to guide you through along the way, step by step, and show you actually exactly steps of how this is done, right? Sustainably. I'm not talking about having $100 or $1,000 a day here and there. No, I'm talking about sustainable income. And number one thing is having a proven high converting offer, right? So it means that the offer that's already proven to work, so you don't have to waste your time and money and efforts. And another thing, it should pay between $100 to $500. So in that way you can make one sale, two sales, and already making $1,000 per day, right? If you know how to pre-sell. So the most important thing is, what I would do is I would set up web page somewhere. I would set up Google pay-per-click, while Google Ads, I'm talking about Google Ads a lot in my other videos on YouTube. And the reason why is because it really works really well. All the veterans, all the gurus are actually using Google Ads because they know it converts and works really well, and you can find buyers over there because people on Google have buyers intent. They're looking for the products and services to solve their pains and problems. So that's why it's very important to have the right traffic source and someone to guide you through step by step along the way, so that also you can have results, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to have results with affiliate marketing, what you can do is you can simply subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach me out one-on-one, ask me any questions, and get started right now in 2023 to have results and a life like this. So if you want to have results, reach me out and I will help you personally and make sure that you can have results as well.